In this video, I'll guide you through how to downgrade Protonmail if you've been using a paid plan and you're ready to move back to a free option or simply cancel your subscription. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're going to the official Protonmail website and then log into your account with your usual credentials. It's best to do this on a computer because the layout is clearer and the settings are easier to find than on a mobile browser or app. Once you're signed in and you're looking at your inbox, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon there, which represents your settings, and this is the main entry point to all of your Protonmail account options. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you click the gear, a panel or menu will open up with some quick settings. These quick settings are handy for everyday adjustments, but for downgrading your plan, we need the full settings page. Look for an option labeled All Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that menu. Click All Settings to open the full settings dashboard in a new view. Now you're in the main settings area where Protonmail groups everything related to your account security, appearance, and subscription. On the left side, or sometimes along the top depending on the interface updates, you'll see a list of sections. Take a moment to scan that list and look for the one called Subscription. This is where all information related to your current plan and payment details is stored. Click on Subscription to open it. On the subscription page, you'll see details about the plan you're currently using. If you're on a paid plan, it will show the plan name, your billing period, storage limits, and sometimes the next renewal date. This is also where Protonmail gives you options to change, downgrade, or cancel. Since we're focusing on downgrading, look for a button or link that says downgrade or cancel subscription. The wording can vary slightly depending on your current plan and Proton's latest design, but it will clearly indicate that you can reduce or stop your paid plan. Click that option. After you click to downgrade or cancel, Protonmail may ask you to confirm your choice, and it might show you what features you'll lose if you move to a lower plan or the free version. Read this carefully so you understand any changes to storage, custom domains, or extra addresses. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your selection, and complete the process. Once everything is confirmed, your account will be adjusted according to your choice. In some cases, the downgrade happens at the end of your current billing period rather than immediately, so keep an eye on any confirmation messages or emails that explain when the change will take effect. That's all there is to it. By going to protonmail.com, opening the settings with the gear icon, choosing all settings, selecting subscription, and then using the downgrade or cancel subscription option, you can easily move off a paid Protonmail plan whenever you need to.